We have question 44 divided by 11 over 2 times 2. By just looking here may be a cancellation because 2 and 2 are being multiplied. One is in numerator and other is in denominator. So cancellation, we will get 44 divided by 11, which will gives us 4. It means it was quite simple because we got 4 in just 20 seconds. But remember that 4 answer is not correct. Math says that answer 4 is not correct. So if 4 is not correct, then what will be correct answer? We have division and multiplication. So we have to move from left to right according to PEMDAS. If we had multiplication and division, then again we have to move from left to right. Here is division to multiplication. So division will be first and multiplication will be our second step. Here we have division between two numbers. So we have to apply KCF, which is keep the first one, change the second one, flip the third one. It will be 2 over 11 times 2 that one. So cancellation will be made. We will get 4. 4 times 2 times 2, it will be 8 times 2, which will be equal to 16. That is correct answer according to PEMDAS rule and KCF rule. Thank you for your support and your subscription.